What's your favorite thing about sciencing? One word, go.
Probably should have thought of answers before I started recording.
Discovery, exploration, exploring curiosity, being with great people.
That was more than one word.
Unknown.
One word, but I will say more than one word. Okay, my favorite part is brainstorming part. I sometimes feel my brain is on fire and I love that stage. Like, of course, getting the results and learning something new is priceless, but the process itself, I think it's my favorite thing, yeah.
Favorite thing about sciencing? Collaborating and fieldwork.
Experiments. That's one word.
Honestly, I know I should be saying something discovery, but favorite thing about sciencing, one word, monotony. It's gonna be a longer video that I can explain why I like that.
The people. I know that's 2 words, but I've met such cool people being in science, and I think when things aren't going well, what keeps me wanting to do science is just the interactions with people, whether that's with students or with well-established researchers in the field. I really do enjoy the interactions with other people.
Thanks for watching. Wouldn't it be incredible if everyone had the opportunity to get to know a professional scientist? Better yet, a bunch of different professional scientists that all look different and all had different paths to STEM? Well, if that sounds awesome, that's exactly what we're trying to do here at SciAll.org. So if you'd like to support what we're doing, please do so by sharing this video, subscribing on YouTube. And if you're really into what we're doing, you can support us on Patreon. But really, every share counts, and we're going to be putting out tons of content in the coming months, so stay tuned.